Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reorder your pages in Canva quickly, easily, and efficiently. Whether you're designing a stunning presentation, a creative layout, or a detailed document, mastering this simple skill will make sure everything flows perfectly. To get started, open the Canva project you want to reorganize. If you haven't already, log into your account and select your design. Once it's open, head to the bottom of the screen and look for the grid icon. Clicking this will switch your view to see all your pages as thumbnails, a bird's eye view that makes reordering a breeze. Now, here's the fun part. Click and hold the page you want to move. You'll see it lift slightly, ready to be repositioned. Drag it to your desired spot and watch as the other pages automatically adjust, creating the perfect space for your page. When it looks just right, release your click. Need to reorder more pages? Just repeat the drag and drop process until your sequence feels perfect. Canva's interface is very forgiving, so if you change your mind, you can adjust as many times as you like. This flexibility saves time and keeps your design organized and visually appealing. Reordering pages in Canva is simple, intuitive, and a small trick that can make a huge difference in how your work looks and flows. With this technique, your designs will feel polished, professional, and ready to impress. And that's it. A fast and effective way to reorder pages in Canva, helping your creative ideas shine. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.